Hey singers, this is another vocal tutorial for another new song we're doing at church. It's called Real Love by Hillsong Young and Free. This is a really fun, upbeat song. It's going to be awesome to play. It's got lots of energy, so particularly in our Sunday morning services and PM services, it's really important that we keep up that energy and those confidence levels, because if we don't get this right, then this song's just going to fall flat and it's not going to be fun. It's going to be really embarrassing. If you're singing this at youth, you won't have a problem with that at all because you're always full of energy, but yeah, just making sure that we're really confident and really awake for this song while we're singing it. It's quite a repetitive song. It's really easy to learn the melody line, so if you listen to the recording, I'm sure you'll pick it up. But there's just a few things I wanted to go over. The charts and the keys will be emailed out shortly, so you will have those. But yes, I'll just quickly run through it. First one. So it's also quite synth driven. So, I mean, we don't have all that fancy technology, unfortunately, at church. But we're going to make this work and it'll be really fun. So, the beginning. Staring into your eyes makes my heart come alive. Suddenly brought to life when I'm with you. Verse 2. Reaching beyond the skies, running deep, stretching wide. Perfect love realized here with you. So you can see verse 1 and verse 2, very simple, straightforward, easy to know. Pre-chorus, the rhythm of the melody is quite syncopated and it's all in triplets. So it's mainly just remembering how to sing it rather than what notes, because it's all on the same note. So it goes, this love is for real, you will never let go, never let go, oh. And it's really important you get that second oh, because that's how it's sung. So, this love is for real, you will never let go, never let go. Oh, it's more than just words, love beyond my control, out of control. Backing vocalist, if you can sing the I mean, it's really high. If you can't do it, it's okay, but it would sound good. And if we can get harmonies as well, so we'll work on those, and I'm sure we can practice them on Sundays. But if you can do that, that would be awesome, because we don't actually have those synth parts. So, chorus. This is real love, this is real love. That repeats. This is real love, this is real love. Big instrumental part. So you can work out with the band leader if you want to go over that, but then there's a second half to the chorus. So it goes, you're pulling me closer and closer, holding my heart to the very end. Jesus, I'm found in your freedom. This is real love, this is real love. Straight to verse 3. In my heart I am found. I want you, I want you. You won't let me down. You've got me, you've got me. So verse 3 pulls back quite a bit. It drops and it gets slower and everything kind of holds back. And we sing that one, use your falsetto. In my heart I am found, I want you. It's more reflective and, turning to God. And then, you won't let me down, you've got me, you've got me. It goes straight to that second part after that first you've got me. You've got me, you've got me. Then it gets faster again, pre-chorus. And this love is for real, you will never let go, never let go. Oh, and it's more than just words, love beyond my control, out of control. Then it goes straight to pulling me closer. You're pulling me closer and closer, holding my heart to the very end. Jesus, I'm found in your freedom. This is real love, this is real love. Repeats that. Then it goes back to that first verse. Staring into your eyes. Ooh, what was that? Staring into your eyes makes my heart come alive. Suddenly brought to life when I'm with you. And then it goes into a big clapping part. So if you're on youth, obviously heaps of energy, you're going to want to do this part. So suddenly brought to life when I'm with you. 1, 2, 3, go. And you're all jumping, clapping that part. Probably won't do that in our morning services, but lots of energy. Make sure the drums are really onto that part. But talk to the band leader, communicate, see how you want to tackle that part. And then it pretty much just repeats that chorus over and over until you feel comfortable. So yeah, it's going to be a fun song. Like I said, it's really easy. There's not many words to remember and learn. It's just making sure our BVs can do that backing part and yeah, just remembering the structure of the song. But the charts will come out soon, so it'll be easier to learn off that. And obviously when we rehearse it and at our training days, we'll go over the structure and anything else. So yeah, looking forward to doing that in church. Have a great week. See ya.